Antutu Benchmark is a popular benchmarking tool used to evaluate the performance of smartphones and other devices. It provides a comprehensive score based on various tests, including CPU, GPU, memory, and user experience UX performance. This score helps users compare the performance of different devices. How to check Antutu Benchmark on iPhone XS Max. Step 1. Download the Antutu Benchmark app. Open the App Store on your iPhone XS Max. Search for Antutu Benchmark and download the app. Step 2. Install and open the app. Once downloaded, install the app and open it. Step 3. Run the benchmark test. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the benchmark test. The app will run a series of tests to evaluate the performance of your device. View the results after the tests are completed. The app will display the overall Antutu score along with detailed scores for CPU, GPU, memory, and UX. For the iPhone XS Max, the Antutu benchmark score is around 676,031, which reflects its strong performance capabilities. Antutu Benchmark is a widely recognized benchmarking tool used to evaluate the performance of smartphones and other devices. It provides a comprehensive score based on various tests, including CPU, GPU, memory, and user experience UX performance. This score helps users compare the performance of different devices. The CPU test measures the processing power of the device. It evaluates the performance of the processor in handling complex calculations, multitasking, and overall efficiency. This test is crucial as the CPU is the brain of the device, responsible for executing instructions and running applications. The GPU test assesses the graphics performance of the device. It measures how well the device can handle rendering graphics, playing videos, and running games. A powerful GPU is essential for a smooth gaming experience and high-quality video playback. This test evaluates the performance of the device's memory. It includes both RAM random access memory and storage. The RAM test measures the speed and efficiency of the device in handling multiple applications simultaneously, while the storage test assesses the read and write speeds of the device's internal storage. The UX test measures the overall user experience of the device. It includes various aspects, such as the responsiveness of the user interface, the smoothness of animations, and the efficiency of system operations. This test is crucial as it directly impacts how users perceive the performance of their device. Antutu Benchmark runs series of tests on the device to evaluate its performance in different areas. Each test is designed to stress a specific component of the device, such as the CPU, GPU, memory, or UX. The results of these tests are then combined to give an overall score, which represents the device's performance. When you run Antutu Benchmark on your device, it performs a series of tests that simulate real-world usage scenarios. These tests include tasks like rendering 3D graphics, running complex calculations, and handling multiple applications simultaneously. The results of each test are scored individually, and these scores are then combined to give an overall score. The higher the score, the better the performance of the device. Antutu Benchmark also provides detailed scores for each component, allowing users to see which areas their device excels and which areas need improvement. One of the main benefits of Antutu Benchmark is that it allows users to compare the performance of different devices. By looking at the overall score and the individual component scores, users can make informed decisions about which device to purchase based on their specific needs. Antutu Benchmark provides a comprehensive evaluation of a device's performance. It tests all the major components, including the CPU, GPU, memory, and UX, giving users a complete picture of how their device performs. The Antutu Benchmark app is user-friendly and easy to use. Users can simply download the app, run the tests, and view the results. The app provides detailed information about each test and what it measures, making it easy for users to understand the performance of their device. Antutu Benchmark is regularly updated to ensure that it remains relevant and accurate. The developers continuously improve the app and add new tests to keep up with the latest advancements in technology. Antutu Benchmark is widely recognized and trusted by users and industry professionals alike. It is one of the most popular benchmarking tools available, and its scores are often used in reviews and comparisons of smartphones and other devices. To check the Antutu Benchmark on an iPhone XS Max, you need to download the Antutu Benchmark app from the App Store. Once downloaded, install the app and open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the benchmark test. The app will run a series of tests to evaluate the performance of your device. After the tests are completed, the app will display the overall Antutu score along with detailed scores for CPU, GPU, memory, and UX. For the iPhone XS Max, the Antutu Benchmark score is around 676,031, which reflects its strong performance capabilities. Antutu Benchmark is an essential tool for anyone looking to evaluate the performance of their smartphone or other devices. It provides a comprehensive and detailed assessment of all the major components, allowing users to make informed decisions about their devices. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, or just someone looking to get the most out of your device, Antutu Benchmark is a valuable resource. Similarly, you can check such performance and benchmark using Antutu Benchmark for your iPhone 11 or 12, 13, 14, 15, and even 16. Hope this video was useful for you. We will catch up with you in next video. You may visit our website www.evergreentechtips.com too.